by our department to have a supervision. Not only this district, I belong to this district. There are other 5 districts. And the way you are behaving.
Madam.
No, sir. Sir, 2 days back I had been here. I'd been here. He had no time to talk to me for 5 minutes.
Who?
The DC. No. 1 minute, sir. Sir, we have gone to many places. We have seen the other places, how they behave. See, this is a meeting which is conducted to our department. Sir,
It's okay.
sir, you told him to call me when you sat there. But he did not bother to.
No.
He did not bother
One
to.
second.
Is it the respect you give?
Ma'am, I have spoken to you when you had come last time.
How?
Please don't tell
But
me
you were telling that you were very busy and we are asked to click some photos and make a report. So when the guy was clicking the photo, see, I'm not a celebrity, you're not a celebrity. We have come here on work. And when I'm asked to click a photo with you, you are just, telling the boy just, so that is not the thing, sir. I belong to this department. Then they're telling, what does it mean?
1 second.
Don't we have respect here?
It was not about you. They were saying somebody is outside.
Nobody
Who was
is
the one
outside.
who is outside?
Madhu Bangarappa sir told you. Madhu Bangarappa sir told you at the very initial to call us to the stage. It's not okay. I am a very outspoken person. I speak for my rights. I speak for my rights.
It's okay, ma'am. Sometimes mistakes happen. Please
No,
come.
sir. I'm tolerating this from
Please
my day.
come.
I have seen other DCs how they behave.
Okay, Bunny.
I have just told you here also, we gave utmost preference to the protocol.
I've seen that.
So, yes, last time ತಾವು ಬಂದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ತಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ
ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
This year. It's okay.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಿಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾವು ಹೋದಾಗ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
No question of the argument on this. Right? You just, my request is, just put it in the writing and we give to them. Yes. Okay. You take it late, no.